Word on the street, if you want to be happy for a day, drink. If you want to be happy for a year, get married. But if you want to be happy for a lifetime, ride a motorbike. Yes, guys, it's your girl, Miss Drew, your hostess with the mostest. And I'm back again doing something crazy. Yes, I'm about to be a biker chick. So I've been invited by the biker girls, but I'm here with some amazing biker men and biker ladies. We're about to have some fun, so don't go anywhere. Alright, so I'm here with the founder of Biker Girls, GH, Jess! Oh my goodness, like, I'm so excited. This is like more than, you have no idea. So Biker Girls, how did even the Biker Girls come to it? What even made you want to even start riding?
It came out of tragedy. I lost my mom.
Oh wow.
So I decided to just live life to the fullest. And then I found like-minded women who had the same passion, and we formed the group.
It's nice. Okay, well, it seems like today we're going to have a great time. What can we expect from today?
Well, I mean, it's a charity ride, so we're doing about an hour, 15 minutes or so to Akuse. And then when we get there, we're gonna make a fine donation. We've got lots of things lined up for the prisoners.
Nice.
Food, drinks, care packages. Just to make sure that they're okay at least for another couple of months.
Amazing. Okay, cool. So we're about to get started. What do I need to become a biker girl for the day?
Helmet.
Okay. Helmet check. Jacket check. And I got these amazing like boots. Okay, guys, I'm about to get ready. And next time you see me, I'm gonna be on a bike.
There you go.
I just gotta flex, flex, flex on the lean. I just wanna rap, rap, rap to the beat. I just wanna back, 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 cause I'm mean. I just gotta go, go back, I'm a freak. Gotta go, go. I just wanna rap, rap to the beat.
Moving from motion, they drunk at the problems, they use them more than they start. She knows that she's the same. She's trying to stop playing games. Moving from motion, they drunk at the problems, they use them more than they start. She knows that she's the same. She's trying to stop playing games. Where the people are, what they really want to know. Who's your lovers and who are your bros? Who are the enemies you keep close? Who are the people that you shouldn't know? Where the people are, what they really want to know. Who's your lovers and who are your bros? Who are the enemies you don't keep close? Who are the people that you shouldn't know?
I just gotta flex, flex, flex on the lean. I just wanna rap, rap, rap to the beat. I just wanna back, 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 cause I'm mean. I just gotta go, go back, I'm a freak. Gotta go, go. I just wanna rap, rap, rap to the beat. The chain, my vest, my watch, my belt, my cheese, my house, my sneakers, my blouse. I just party hard, flipping the one in the chart. I've already won, babe, but then you start.
Unless you heard it from me, then you ain't heard it from me. Got it from me, all the energy extra. You don't wanna see me with the hitters. Generations caught up, look how things will switch. People they're quick, now they wanna move on the bitch. Boy wanna drop him, bitch. Nah, now I'm moving, now I'm moving. I gotta do what I do. I'm really here on my ones now instead of 4 3s or 2s. And now it's Effie from Paris. I could have been effing you in Paris. I don't wait for the drop. I just flow from the top.
We're waiting for all the others to come together. Yo, this was interesting. The things that I've seen, the adrenaline is mad. My bum is hurting me though, guys. It's not a joke. Like, honestly, they need to get more comfy things on these bikes. But I'm feeling like a real bike chick. I'm looking at Jess. I'm like, yo, she's my role model.
F on me, all the energy extra. You don't wanna see me with the hitters. Generations pull up, look how things are switch. People they quit, I just wanna move on the blitz. Boy wanna go from bitch, nah.
Oh my goodness, guys, what an experience. Firstly, I am hot. Like wearing all of this gear in Ghana, I don't even know how they do it. But literally the thrill, the adrenaline, like everything was absolutely mad. So we finally made it to Akuse. We're gonna do a quick donation, but I mean, everybody watching, I think you should definitely take part in the Bikers Club, literally. Look at all the bikes, like I felt like I'm untouchable, you know, like that? All right, so I am here in the presence of some top gentlemen. These are the Harley Davidson group. Like, look at them, don't they look so cool? I just feel cool just being in the middle of them. So guys, I mean, how long have you been riding in Ghana?
I've been riding in Ghana for over 45 years.
45 years, and how long have you been riding?
I've been riding for 20 years, but Harley 3 years.
3 years.
Harley rider.
And what about you? How come of all the bikes you chose Harley Davidson?
It's the lifestyle.
It's a lifestyle.
It's a lifestyle.
It's a lifestyle.
I want some beard, you know. Just look
Yeah? You have to get it, you have to get belly.
You guys get guts to ride Harley Davidson.
When you ride a bike, like what, do you feel like some sort of adrenaline or what goes through your mind when the wind is blowing through your beard?
Yeah, we are adrenaline
freedom.
junkies, yeah.
Freedom. I love
all
it.
the stress of the realities of life, you just ride and you go and you just speed.
I love it.
And Harley Davidson, we don't need speed.
Oh yeah.
We need a comfort, we need a freedom,
We just cruise.
and we just cruise.
Comfort, freedom, and cruising.
Yes.
3 reasons as to why you should get yourself a Harley Davidson.
That's right.
I love it. Do you have any, if somebody wanted to join your group, how do they do it?
Oh, just start saving. Just start saving.
You buy a Harley.
Yeah, just start saving.
Just on a Harley.
You buy
Just start saving and get a Harley.
Yeah, that's right.
I love it.
This one first.
And then grow a belly.
have to have a belly, yes.
I love that. I love that. Thanks, guys. Enjoy. All right, with my guy Ben from Bikers Grove. Now, the first time I ever got on a bike in Ghana was with Bikers Grove. Now, tell us, how long has Bikers Grove been around?
They have been around for the past 4 years.
Yeah. And what other type of activities do you guys do? Because it's not just charity runs that you guys do.
So Bikers Group is a 3-day fun fair, educational and culture-based value activity where we bring all the motorsport lovers, the bikers, the bike fans together in one central space for a 3-day program.
Love it.
So it's like an Africa kind of convergence whereby people travel across the West Africa like Togo, Benin, Nigeria, Burkina Faso, Niger, Ivory Coast. Then they come and converge in Ghana for a 3-day weekend program.
Love it.
So that's what the bikers do.
And I'm telling you, when I went the last time, there were all different bikes that you have never seen before, shapes, sizes, all of that good stuff. So when's the next one?
It will be in August if the COVID.
If COVID allows us.
We will hold it in maybe first week in August.
Okay. So then, do you ever do like just day trips or
So we have the first ever motorsport events company called Motorhead.
Okay.
So we have like other 8 products. We have a program coming on called a Bikers Festival Train. Then we have the country
Festival
tour.
Train.
Yeah. We have the country tour.
But you tour what, Ghana?
Yes.
On bikes?
Yes. So we tour the 16 regions.
Wow.
5 days.
Okay.
Then we have the Bikers Without Borders.
Okay.
That one is we do a trip from country to countries. So
Nice.
it will be like from Ghana, Togo, Benin in 2 days.
Oh, So you guys must drive really, really fast. So I'm sure you guys have an Instagram if anyone that is watching is a biker and wants to be part of it.
Yep. So we have so many groups, but the overall head
Yeah.
is the Bikers group.
There you go.
So you can check Bikers group GH on both IG and Facebook, and also Motorhead Ghana on both IG and Facebook.
But if you have biking as a hobby, you want to be a biker, you just like chilling and watching it, Biker Growth got you covered. I mean, I've had way too much fun today. It's been an amazing experience, but I'm telling you, y'all gonna see me again on my own bike. Vroom, vroom. Okay. I just seen this amazing lady. Wow, looking so cool. I saw this lady when I was on the way and like her hair was just flowing in the wind. I was like, I need to be like her when I grow up. Wow, looking amazing. Loving the fit. Are you part of the Biker Girls?
Definitely.
How long have you been with the Biker Girls?
Well, since its inception, almost about 3 years now, but I've been riding for 7 years in total.
7 years?
7.5, probably almost 8.
What does it feel like riding in Ghana?
It's amazing.
Yes.
It's amazing. Well, once in a while you meet people who don't really understand or who don't appreciate the fact that you're a lady and you're
Yes.
riding, but it's still amazing. I mean, the positives way outweigh the negatives.
Definitely. I was going to say, like, I'm sure there's some weird stereotypes about being a female biker.
Definitely.
But, I mean, you look so cool doing it. You look amazing. So, I mean, why did you pick riding out of all the other type of hobbies?
Riding comes with the feeling of freedom.
Yeah.
It's the fact that you're able to conquer a beast like this.
A beast. That definitely is a beast.
This is a Yamaha MT-09.
Okay.
It's one of the best bikes you can find on the planet.
Best bikes you can find in the
Don't
planet.
mind the Harley people.
You
This
see?
is the real deal.
And we got a female rider. You see that female empowerment? We love it. We love it.
Anyway, so it gives you that feel, that excitement. And you see, it's just that wind in your hair. Sometimes
Yeah.
it's actually therapy if you think about it critically. So,
Do you ride every day or?
if I could, but
Okay.
most of the time over the weekends.
Okay.
Sometimes during the week, but not every day.
Weekends kind of, but I'm sure you're like, well, I see she's married.
Oh yes.
So you see, ladies,
With 2 kids.
Look at that. She's a cool mom. Like, she's a cool mom. Love it. Well, girl, you know, you're inspiring so many others, especially
so
me.
much. Thank you
And
so much.
soon, I'll be on the best beast in the planet too.
It has to be an MT.
You hear that? It will be an empty. Vroom, vroom. Okay, so I heard that you are the important biker that helps make sure that bikers are safe on the road.
Yeah.
It's you?
Yes, sure, I'm the one.
Okay, so tell
But I'm
us.
just a biker.
But you look so cool. Like, look at his whole fit. It's
Everyone
amazing.
is important.
Everybody is important. But you make sure that bikers' lives matter. So tell us a little bit about this initiative.
Yeah, sure. I think we have a very negative perception brewing in our world about bikers, where everybody sees bikers or tag them as criminals, thieves, or hooligans. But it's rather unfortunate that most of these bikers that I have grown to know are all well-to-do individuals and citizens of our country. So an initiative started in South Africa,
Okay.
and the name was Bikers Lives Matter. So I thought it wise that, okay, why don't we have the same initiative in Ghana as well?
Nice.
So in 2018,
Okay.
we had our maiden event. What is Bikers Lives Matter? It's all about creating a lot of awareness and then making sure that the public respect bikers
Yes.
on our public roads. Because many a times when you look at most of the biking accidents that occur, it is either with a car. Nobody just gets up and then on your own you crash your bike.
Yes.
It is either with a car and then with maybe pedestrians.
Yeah.
So what we are saying is that drivers especially, they pose a lot of hazards to us bikers. So we try to conscientize them, we try to create the awareness for them to understand that the public road needs to be shared.
Definitely.
It is not just for a set
Only
of
for
people
drivers.
or drivers.
Yes.
Yes. It is for all of us. Once we ply the route, I will want to go back home to my family safely. The driver also wants to go back to the family safely. So since we are all talking about reaching home safely, then let's arrive home alive. You see, there is another thing. You can get home and still be injured.
That's
maybe
true.
broken leg or whatever, but we want everybody to reach home safe.
Safely. So when is the next event, or how can people, get involved in supporting this initiative?
All right, so I think because of COVID, since the last event we held in 2020 February, which happens to be pegged along a charity ride we did to Akosombo to sponsor a school.
Okay.
We haven't done anything else since, but there are a lot of plans on the way.
Nice.
For the future. We're just monitoring to see how we can meander our way through this whole COVID pandemic.
Yeah.
And then after we can come out in a very large way. However, we still do a lot of sensitization on social media.
Okay, that's good.
As we are unable to come together as a team or a group because of the protocols with respect to COVID. In terms of support, well, whenever we have an event, we call the whole biking fraternity to come together and then also assist whichever way they can. For some of the institutions, we write to them.
Oh, okay.
But for Bikers Lives Matter, the major institutions we look at is the Ghana, the National Road Safety Commission, which is now Road Safety Authority.
Yeah.
We also look at DVLA.
That's good.
Okay, that is the Driver Vehicle and Licensing Authority, and then we definitely engage the MTTU, that is the police, the Motor Traffic Union. Unit. So all these people, it's part of their mandate to make sure that safety is achieved on our public road. So we work along with them.
Yes.
So basically, that is what we do. Our tagline for Bikers Lives Matter is the biker must be seen.
Biker must be seen.
The biker must be heard.
Must be heard.
And then the biker must be respected.
And be respected. So when you see a biker on the road, remember his or her life matters just as much as yours. So be safe and let's share the road. Guys, I'm here with another female biker. I mean, they just look so cool. I love it. I love it. Wait, how long what made you start riding in the first place?
Good question. So I started riding in 2013.
Okay.
And I'd always had a passion for riding when I was a kid, right? And I just never got into it because I was scared. But, 2013, woke up one day and figured out life is too short. You better follow your passion and do the things you want to do. So got a bike, and luckily my husband wanted to ride as well. So
he got a bike as well.
And we, learned how to ride, and I've been riding. He stopped riding, and I'm still riding.
Oh no!
Yeah.
Okay, this is amazing. So it's like chase your dreams and do what your heart wants you to do. Life is too short.
And do it safely. Very important.
That's important. Okay, so what other stuff do you do in Ghana with biking? I know you're not just with Biker Girls. So what else do you guys do?
So a lot of the charity work, today is an example of that, right? And this is not the first one we've done. And Biker Girls hasn't been around that long. It's only been about 2 years. And this is our second or third charity initiative we're doing. But yeah, it's really just about finding people who are passionate about riding.
Biking.
And who are passionate about riding safely.
Yes.
And spreading the word that you can't be on a bike and not be a vagabond.
Yes.
And we're all professionals. So I work at Busy. I'm the CEO of Busy at ISP. I'm married with 3 kids.
Whoa,
we are responsible
look
people.
at that.
But we love to ride, and it's something that we feel like we should encourage more people to do.
Have you ever got in an accident before?
No, I haven't. So I've been pretty safe.
This is good.
Yeah, and you saw it on the group ride, right? It's very well organized. Everybody's following protocol. There's a ride master. There's a sweeper. We just make sure that we're safe. And even when it's just the girls riding, it's the same thing. Just making sure we're doing it the right way. Because we see a lot of bad riding in Ghana.
Yes.
And it's something we're trying to find a way to stop. And we're doing that by emulating good practices.
You see what I'm saying, guys? Just cancel out the stereotype of bikers. Not all bikers are crazy. Not all bikers are criminals. If you had a word of advice to any young girl who wants to be a biker like you, what would you tell them?
Go out there and do it. There's nothing that should stop you. If it's something you're passionate about, and not just riding anything in life, you are shooting yourself in the foot if you don't take a chance, right? So if you want to ride, go get some training. There's a great training instructor called Me Ronaldo who you can find on Instagram that we all use. And go get the good training, get on a bike, and follow your dreams. And life is short, like I said, and you shouldn't waste time being too worried about what ifs. If you can actually take a chance and do something that you're passionate about.
So you actually went to bike riding school in Ghana?
Yeah.
Whoa! I didn't even think that happened.
It's like a legitimate approach. And I started riding before he even set up his school.
Okay.
But I took a couple of lessons with him.
Oh, nice. Okay, so I mean, we don't have Ronaldo here, but I have you.
Yeah.
So you can teach me how to ride a bike.
I could try.
Well, you can teach me how to start and go like at least 2 meters.
That I can do.
Okay, perfect. Let's
We
find
try
a
that?
bike.
All right, let's find my bike.
Okay.
All right.
All right, so we got a bike now, and it looks
my
so
little baby.
cool.
Yeah.
Does she have a name or he?
She.
Yes.
Of course. She does not have a name.
Aww.
No, she doesn't.
Okay,
I have
okay.
3 kids whose names I try to remember. I can't add them.
All right, first step.
All right, so first step, I mean, you just gotta, first of all, do a physical inspection, make sure everything's okay. There's, oil here and stuff that you typically would check, but we won't go into all of that level of detail. But if just making sure that your bike is in good condition. Then the second thing, put the key in the ignition, just turn it. It's all electronic, right? So it tells you, I have enough gas. That's the first thing. If you don't have enough gas, you're in trouble. And make sure that, there are no indicators that tell you that you have to check your engine. It's just basically like you're driving a car, right? You just got to make sure that your check engine light is not on and that type of stuff. The second thing you do, you get on. Are you going to wear your helmet? I hope so.
Yes, of course.
Okay. All right. So you get on always from the left side. Yes, that's the correct side. All right. And then what you want to do is to put the bike on neutral. So this is what tells you what gear you're in. So it's currently in first gear.
Okay.
So all you need to do is kick it up a little bit after you press the clutch. So that's your clutch like in a regular car, right? So to change the gear or anything at any point in time, you need to hold the clutch in. So hold the clutch down all the way, perfect. And then kick up the gear, this one. So you put your leg here, and then the front goes beneath that. So it goes underneath it, and then kick it up a little, perfect. So you've got it on neutral. So getting it onto neutral is just a little bit of a tap, right? So that's what you do second. And now you can start. You can start the engine. Start the engine, you've already got this on. You start the engine by moving this down. There you go. Now, okay. Just make sure that everything's all good. All right. So I don't know if you actually want to move, but what you would do is you would put your other leg down. Then you need to obviously get in the stand and make sure that you're fully balanced. So you would lift the bike up so that you're balancing it on both feet. Exactly. Then you would kick up the perfect. And then essentially what you would do is you would put the gear on one and then you would move it slowly. But that requires a bit of finesse. Is that something you're ready for? Let's try it? Okay, but you'd need to angle it a little bit. Okay, just so. All right. So now to get it back to one, you would push this down. Yeah, but holding that in, you've got to hold the clutch in all the way. And then you've got to hold the brake in. Okay. All right. Now, this part you got to be very careful. You know how when you're driving a car, manual, do you know how to drive a manual car? You do that slow release. So that's what you kind of do. Slowly release this and then slowly move the accelerator to be able to move forward. Slow. There you go. You're doing it. Release slowly and then give it some. You stalled. You stalled. It's just because of that balance between the clutch, and it takes a little bit of finesse to get that. But that basically is how you get your bike moving.
This is how we're gonna get the bike moving.
Yeah, it's pretty
But we're not gonna do
straightforward.
that today.
You already did.
I already got the bike moving.
You actually got most
But
of the
we are not
basics.
gonna move too far because this is very heavy,
It's
and I haven't gone to the gym for a long time.
And that's the thing. Yes, this is not a bike you would start with. This is I think my 4th bike.
Wow.
So yeah, I started with a 250cc bike and built my way up. So this is a 700.
Look at that.
It takes a while to get to that. But before you get off, you'll need to put back the stand.
Turn everything off.
So put back the stand all the way down, and then lean it over. Yep. And then you can leave it on one, turn it off, and take out the key. You're good to go.
That's very hot. How do you do this?
when you are moving, because of all of the wind, it's not that bad.
That's true.
Yeah, when you are stationary,
It's crazy. Look at this sweat, guys. Look at this sweat. I mean,
a little bit, but the gear is important. You gotta be, fully
you got to
kitted.
be geared up.
Fully kitted.
Is gearing gone expensive?
I didn't buy any of my gear. But I think it's pretty reasonable now because there's a little bit of competition in the market. So before there was just very few. You couldn't even find gear here, and that's why I ended up having to buy a lot of my gear not from Ghana. But I think there are a lot of people who are now selling gear, and so it's definitely bringing the prices down.
Makes sense.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. I love it, guys. I'm gonna take a little bit more photos. I'm gonna get my practice in, but
good job moving the bike.
I started moving the bike, guys. I am hot, but what I do need you guys to know is when you next see a biker, be nice to them. We are all about sharing the road. Bikers have a stereotype, but we're here to break the stereotype. This cool mom over here, she be riding for 4 years with her husband, okay? She's not out here committing crimes. So if you want to join the biker community, there's so many different initiatives, and on Instagram as well for you guys to join. You can learn how to ride a bike properly, safely, and again, when you see a biker, share the road. It's not just for you. All right, guys, that's it for today's episode. Your girl is out, and I'll see you in the next moments.